Damero CS Pack Cute Travel Baby Wet and Dry Cloth by Damero is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Cute fabric, fun colors, well made, good sizes, multiple functions. For people who loves everything clean, using these gives you a peace of mind. A good choice for you all. Function, ? For a working pumping mom. This bag is very handy with pumping at work. You can put used pump parts in here and put the bag in the break room refrigerator. No one knows the difference. ? For a sports lover. ? To carry 100% sweat-soaked clothes and gym bag after yoga class. ? Using the bags when go swimming, to the beach, or to a water park. ? For young parents. ? Keep extra stuff for your child at preschool. If clothing gets dirty or wet, or if the school has a water day, the wet clothing can be contained in here. ? It also worked nicely when go out to eat and need somewhere to put dirty cups, dishes, spoons, and bibs after eating. ? To transport all baby's food, poop, pee, barf, drool covered clothing. Highlight, ? With the snap handle, you can easily strap it to your diaper bag as a reminder that you have dirty diapers that need to be washed. These wet bags keep everything else in your bag dry and free from sweat smell. Folds up easily so it doesn't take up too much space in a diaper bag. Notes, ? Machine wash at 60? ? Do not bleach. ? Do not iron. ? Do not dry clean. ? Do not tumble dry. Perfect choice. Large capacity, approx. L12. 9xH16. Store your clean or dirty clothes, underwear, socks, swimming suits and other belongings, keeping odor and moisture contained. Mark. Not waterproof, but water resistant. Could not hold something dripping wet but good for things that are damp. A lifesaver. 2 zippered pockets are ideal to separate dry items from clean ones, like clothes, sweaty towels or diapers. It comes in 2 pieces so you can rotate them. Quality made and eco-friendly. The dual-layer water-resistant fabric is lined with high-quality polyurethane laminate, pull. Reusable, machine washable. Easy access. It is easy to hang them anywhere like doorknobs, towel rails, door hangers thanks to the handle with a snap on it. Multi-purpose. You can take them with you on many occasions such as home, natatorium, fitness center, gym as well as at the beach when you spending a vacation.